Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today we do definition in German. How can we give a definition with the help of a particular structures? You can give some other definition using some other words. I have written here 4 words you can see here. Tisch, stool, Bahn, bed. Suppose these are new words you don't know. How will you define these words? How will you tell somebody how to explain? So with the help of definition I will use this structure and I will make a sentence so that I can make you understand how to give a definition, how to define these words. So Tisch, Tisch is a, first of all we do matching. Tisch is a Möbelstück, means furniture, like bed is Möbelstück, stool is Möbelstück. So these are all furniture. Tisch, table is a Möbelstück, understand? Furniture. Möbel means furniture, Stück means a piece, it's a type of furniture. Sofa, bed, stool, Tisch, these are all furniture. We say Möbelstück. And these are the verbs. I use these verbs because without verb we cannot make a sentence. A sentence is incomplete. It cannot be a sentence if there is no verb. So when we define a word, we make a sentence, and for a sentence we need verb. Tisch. So how I define? Tisch ist ein Möbelstück. Tisch is a Möbelstück, an dem man schreibt, or an dem man isst. I have used the preposition here. Look at the preposition an dem. An dem. At which, on which. We don't use auf, an. So once again, Tisch ist ein Möbelstück, an dem man, then I conjugate man with third person, schreibt or ist. An dem man schreibt or ist. What position last? This is my relative Satz. I hope you understand. Once again I repeat. Tisch ist ein Möbelstück, an dem man schreibt oder isst. Table is a furniture, is a type of furniture, is a part of furniture on which one writes or eat. Verb last. This is also known as relative sentence, relative Satz. When we give a definition, we mostly use relative Satz. Another word, stool. Same. Stool ist ein Möbelstück. Stool ist ein Möbelstück. Stool means chair. So how do we use it? We use it in order to sit. We can sit on the chair. So Stuhl ist ein Möbelstück. Now here preposition auf dem. Auf dem man, here sitzt. Auf dem man sitzt. I will conjugate and it becomes sitzt. Because man is third person, I conjugate man with like this. So verb position last again because this is a relative structure. I repeat, Stuhl ist ein Möbelstück. So the verb I am using is ist. Is. Stuhl ist ein Möbelstück, auf dem man sitzt. Stool is a furniture on which one sit. So simple. Next, Bahn. Now Bahn is a transport. Bahn is a transport mode of transport. Train. It's a train. So how can we use it? In order to travel. We travel to work. We go on work. We use train and go to the work. So Bahn ist ein Transportmittel mit der. So here the preposition is mit der. Transport we use mit. So mit der man zur Arbeit fährt. Fahren, and the conjugation is fährt. Third person. So we have to conjugate. Bahn ist ein Transportmittel, mit der man zur Arbeit fährt. Bahn, train is a mode of transport by which one travel and go to the work. This is the definition. Now the last word is bed. Is a bed. So bed ist ein Möbelstück. Bed is also furniture on which one sleep. Auf dem man schläft. I write Bett ist ein Möbelstück, auf dem man schläft. One sleeps. So verb position is last. So this is my preposition auf. So this way we define a word. This is called definition. Okay. You can use some other words and you can also define like this for further practice. Please write some sentence in the comment. I will see. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.